Hi, I'm Katie from Romence Gardens, and I just wanted to take a minute to show you our new DIY plant kit. This year we have some really fun plant kits that you can send to anybody that you love to give them just a little bit of green. I'm actually going to send this to some of my friends' kids that went off to college this year because I know that their rooms are a little bit lackluster. So when you get your kit, you're actually going to want to take and open up the tape. We do want to make sure that these are packed very safely so that they'll travel to you without any damage. So once you open up, you're going to see that you're going to get a directional sheet. It's going to tell you how to plant it and basically give you some care instruction information. When you look, you'll see that the plant is carefully taped inside to ensure that it's not damaged in shipping. If there is an issue in shipping, make sure that you do give us a call right away. You just want to carefully open the tape within the package. And once you have done that, you can carefully slide the plant out. You'll notice that it's bubble wrapped and carefully wrapped within the pot that it's sent. So just carefully remove all of your product. It will come with your own little bag of dirt. Isn't it cute? And then once you have everything out of the package, you'll be set to go. So this particular kit has a succulent in it. Most succulents want as much bright light as they can get, so make sure you put this in a very sunny window. When you go to transplant your succulent, the first thing I always like to do with my plants is just give them a little squeeze. The main thing is we're just trying to loosen it up from the side of the pot and make sure that when we go to take the plant out, we aren't damaging the root. The same thing will happen when you have either the fern or one of the string of pearls. Or beads, or one of the string of plants. Now, be very careful when you're working with your string of bead plants because these can be very fragile. So I always tell people to just kind of carefully put your hand underneath there as you go to work with it so that you're not catching this on anything or tearing the little beads. If accidentally part of the beads or strings come off, go ahead and take those pieces and take another pot with some dirt, and you can go ahead and lay them out on the dirt, and usually they'll root in for you. So don't worry if something breaks, you can always do something else with it. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I want to get the soil level in my pot to the right level. So I'm going to just carefully open up my dirt. Luckily here at the greenhouse I can make a mess. You might want to be a little more careful where you do this. I'm going to go ahead and pour enough soil in. So when I go to take the plant out, I'm going to just carefully slide this out. Now sometimes they'll be a little dry from travel, and that's okay because you're going to water this as soon as you get it planted. So go ahead and just kind of scribble up the roots a little bit so it can kind of easily transfer in. And you're just going to take your fingers and carefully press that down so that the stem of the plant should be right at the root of or the base of the pot. Then in my hand, I'm just going to take a little bit more soil, and I want to just firmly press the soil all the way around, just kind of turning and pressing the soil all around the pot, just like this, until I get all of the plant nicely nestled into its new home. Then I will take this to the sink or to your water source. Go ahead and make sure you nicely drench it. And then I usually leave it in the sink for 10-15 minutes, let all the excess moisture drain, and then go ahead and put this on your windowsill. Now it does have a drainage hole out the bottom, so make sure you set it on a cute little platter or plate, or sometimes I even get something with cute little marbles or stones, and I just set it on there so it's fun. The other thing you can do is you can paint or draw on your pot and make it all your own. So again, we hope you enjoy our DIY kits. Again, they are available in succulent, fern, or in one of our many different string of succulent style plants. Thank you so much for watching our YouTube video. If you'd like to see more of our fun videos as we build up this channel, please like, subscribe, and we'll show you more of our fun new plant information.